How to install a browser without a browser in Windows. 1. Download a browser from Microsoft Store. 2. Use web request or curl to download a browser. Commands include cd desktop invoke web request browser link download.exe. Plan B, use curl. Command cd desktop curl l browser link download.exe. FYI, Google Chrome, 64-bit https://dl.google.com/chrome/install/standalone setup 64.exe. Mozilla Firefox, 64-bit https://download.mozilla.org/?product $Firefox-latest $OS=Win64. Mozilla Firefox, 32-bit https://download.mozilla.org/?product $Firefox-latest $OS=Win. Opera, 64-bit https://net.geo.opera.com/opera/stable/Windows. 3. Run the Winget command. To download your browser. To install Google Chrome, Winget install eid google.chrome. To install Firefox, Winget install eid mozilla.firefox. To install Opera, Winget install eid opera.opera 4. Install a browser using Chocolatey. Commands include set execution policy all sign set execution policy bypass scope process force system.net.servicepointmanager security protocol equals system.net.servicepointmanager security protocol bore 3072 eeks new object system.net.web client download string https://community.chocolatey.org/install.ps1. Choco install Google Chrome /Firefox/Opera/Brave/Vivaldi.